Without a properly functioning coolant system, the engine could overheat, leading to severe damage or even a breakdown. So, it's crucial to maintain the coolant system to ensure the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Engine heat is a natural byproduct of the combustion process that powers your vehicle. When fuel burns in the engine, it creates energy that moves the vehicle, but it also produces a tremendous amount of heat. If this heat isn't controlled and managed properly, it can cause various problems like engine overheating, damage to components, and reduced efficiency. The coolant system is essential because it helps regulate and manage this excess heat produced by the engine. Coolant circulates through the engine in a closed-loop system to regulate its temperature. Typically, a mixture of water and antifreeze, coolant absorbs heat from the engine, preventing it from overheating during operation. The water pump pushes the coolant through passages in the engine block and cylinder head, where it absorbs heat generated by the combustion process. The heated coolant then flows to the radiator, where it releases heat to the surrounding air through the radiator fins and cooling fans. Once cooled, the coolant returns to the engine to repeat the process. This cycle helps maintain the engine at an optimal temperature for efficient operation and prevents it from getting too hot or too cold. Let's see what are the components of coolant system. Coolant. Coolant is a liquid mixture, typically a blend of water and antifreeze, used in vehicle engines to manage heat. It circulates through the engine, absorbing excess heat and transferring it to the radiator for dissipation. It prevents freezing in cold temperatures and protects against boiling in hot conditions, crucial for engine health. Hoses and pipes. Hoses and pipes in a vehicle's coolant system transport coolant between the engine and the radiator. Made of durable materials like rubber or metal, they ensure proper circulation of coolant, preventing leaks and facilitating the transfer of heat. These components are vital for maintaining engine temperature and overall system efficiency. Water pump. The water pump is a critical component of a vehicle's cooling system responsible for circulating coolant throughout the engine and radiator. Typically belt-driven, it maintains consistent coolant flow, preventing overheating by transferring heat away from the engine. As the engine operates, the water pump propels coolant through the system, ensuring it absorbs heat from the engine and carries it to the radiator for dissipation, maintaining optimal operating temperatures. Radiator. The radiator is a crucial component in a vehicle's cooling system designed to dissipate heat. It's a heat exchanger that helps regulate the engine's temperature by cooling the circulating coolant. Typically positioned at the vehicle's front, it consists of a series of tubes and fins. As hot coolant flows through these tubes, the radiator's fins facilitate heat transfer to the surrounding air, cooling the liquid. This process releases the heat generated by the engine, maintaining its optimal operating temperature. Efficient radiator functioning is essential for preventing engine overheating, ensuring proper vehicle performance, and safeguarding against potential damage due to excessive heat. Thermostat. The thermostat in a vehicle's cooling system regulates the engine temperature. It monitors the temperature and controls the flow of coolant between the engine and the radiator. By opening and closing, it helps maintain the ideal temperature range, ensuring efficient engine operation and preventing overheating or inefficient performance. Pressure cap. The pressure cap is a vital component of the cooling system, typically located on the radiator or coolant reservoir. It regulates the system's pressure by releasing excess pressure, preventing the coolant from boiling. This cap also helps raise the boiling point of the coolant, enhancing the system's efficiency in managing engine heat. Coolant reservoir. The coolant reservoir, also known as the overflow tank, stores excess coolant in the vehicle's cooling system. It provides a buffer for expanding coolant due to temperature changes, allowing it to contract back into the system as needed. This reservoir helps maintain the proper level of coolant in the system for optimal functioning.
We hope you learned something here. Hit a like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.